How to forward poll in Facebook Messenger. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me, Pipin Besant, and today I'll guide you on how you can forward a poll on your group chat or to other friends on your Facebook Messenger. Now, if you open up Messenger and if you head into a group chat, now you should know that the poll can only be started on the group chat, right? Now, if you tap on that particular poll here, you can see there is an option to vote. You can vote here, and I can add other option because I was the one that started this poll. However, if I tap on it, you can see there is no any other option to forward or send it to others. Or if I tap and hold, you can see there is no any option as well. Now, unfortunately, Facebook doesn't give you an option to forward this poll. However, if you want to add someone, or however, if you want to make someone participate in this poll here and make them vote, what you can do is you can add them to this group and they'll be able to vote here. Now, how you can do that, you can tap on the eye icon at the top right corner and you can tap on add option that you can see there, and you can add members to this group and they'll be able to participate in the poll. So this way you can vote on your poll in Facebook Messenger. You won't be unfortunately able to forward the poll. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.